Buongiorno paesani, how are you? Come si va? Allora, un'altra parola che vi voglio imparare oggi, another word that I want to teach you in Sicilian today is addunari. What does that mean? It means to notice. In Italian, we say accorgere. In a sentence, we say, Ti radunasti che cadì? Did you notice that the guy fell? In Italian, we say, Te ne sei accorta che quello è caduto? So, accorgere, addunari, and in English, notice. So, that's it for today. Please keep watching. The numbers on the YouTube channel of Italiani di Montreal e Amici is rising slowly but constantly. Thank you all very much for your support. I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you and your support and your encouragement. And hey, it's free. So why not? When something's free, you don't question it. You just take it. So, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici on YouTube. And stay tuned for more words. Allora, come sempre, ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!